Carlos. Thanks for showing me the apartment.
No problem, Emma. Come in.
Wow, it looks clean. Do you have a sofa here?
Yes, I do. I have a small gray sofa.
Nice. Do you have a table too?
Yes, I have a dining table over there.
And chairs?
I have 4 chairs. They're simple but comfortable.
Good. Do you have a TV in the living room?
No, I don't. I don't have a TV at the moment.
That's okay. I can bring mine.
Great. It will look good here.
Do you have a desk for working?
Yes, I have a small wooden desk in the bedroom.
Perfect. I need a desk for my laptop.
You're going to like it. It's quiet in there.
Do you have shelves for books?
I have 2 shelves, one in the bedroom and one in the hall.
Nice. I have many books.
Then the shelves will be useful.
What about the kitchen? Do you have a microwave?
Yes, I do. And I have a fridge and a stove, too.
Great. The apartment has everything I need.
I'm happy to hear that.
I think I want it.
Really? That's great news.
Yes. Thank you for showing me around.
Anytime, Emma.
Hi, Julia. Thanks for inviting me.
Hi, Liam. Come in. Welcome to my home.
Wow, it's nice here. How many rooms do you have?
I have 4 rooms, a living room, a kitchen, a bedroom, and a bathroom.
Great. Can I see the living room?
Sure. This is the living room.
It looks cozy. What do you have in here?
I have a big sofa, a coffee table, and a TV.
The sofa looks comfortable.
Yes, it is. I sit here every night to relax.
And the kitchen?
It's right here. Follow me.
Nice kitchen. Do you have a microwave?
Yes, I do. I have a microwave, a fridge, and a small oven.
Do you cook a lot?
Yes, I cook almost every day.
And the bedroom?
Come this way. This is my bedroom.
It's simple and clean. What's in here?
I have a bed, a desk, and a wardrobe.
I like the desk. It's big.
Yes, I study here at night.
And the bathroom? Is it small?
Yes, it's small but modern. I have a shower, a mirror, and a cabinet.
Your home is really nice, Julia.
Thank you. I like keeping it organized.
It feels comfortable.
I'm happy you like it.
Hey, Ben, can you help me organize the house?
Sure, no problem. What do you want me to do?
First, let's start in the living room.
Okay, what goes where?
The books go on the shelf.
This shelf?
Yes, that one. Put them on the top.
Done. What about these magazines?
Put the magazines on the coffee table.
In the middle or on the side?
On the side, please.
Good. And the remote control?
The remote stays next to the TV.
Got it. Next to the TV.
Now the cushions. They are on the floor.
Yeah, I see them.
Put the cushions on the sofa.
All of them?
Yes, all of them.
The living room looks better now.
Great. Let's go to the kitchen.
What should I do here?
The plates go in the cabinet above the sink.
Above the sink. Here?
Yes, that's the right place.
And these cups?
The cups go next to the plates.
On the same shelf?
Yes, exactly.
The fruit. Do I put it in the fridge?
No, leave the fruit on the counter.
On the left side or the right side?
On the left side.
Anything else here?
Yes, the trash bag is full. Take it outside.
Okay, I'll take it now.
Thanks. Let's check the bedroom.
Sure.
The clothes on the bed go in the wardrobe.
Hanging or folded?
Folded, please.
And your shoes? They're under the chair.
Put the shoes next to the wardrobe.
Left or right?
On the right.
The desk is messy.
Yes. Put the pens in the cup and the papers in the drawer.
Pens in the cup, papers in the drawer. Done.
Perfect. The room looks clean now.
Yes, everything is in the right place.
Thank you for helping me.
Anytime. Organizing is easy with clear instructions.
Leo, can you help me?
Sure. What's wrong?
I can't find my keys.
Your keys? Okay. Where did you see them last?
I don't remember. That's the problem.
Let's look. Where is your bag?
My bag is on the sofa.
Are the keys inside it?
No, they're not here.
Where is your jacket?
My jacket is on the chair.
Check the pockets.
Nothing. No keys.
Okay. Where is your desk?
In my room.
Maybe the keys are on the desk.
Let me check. No, not here either.
Strange. Where is your phone?
On the table in the kitchen. Why?
Sometimes you leave your keys next to your phone.
Good idea. Let me look. No, nothing.
Where is the shelf near the door?
Right here.
Are the keys there?
No, I don't see them.
Lisa, where is your car?
Outside. Why?
Maybe the keys are still in the door.
In the door? Oh, no.
Check it.
Leo, they're here.
Seriously?
Yes, the keys are in the door.
Well, at least you found them.
Yes, thanks for helping.
Anytime. Next time, check the door first.
I will. I promise.
Hey, Laura, can I borrow something?
Maybe. What do you need?
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have one. Here,
Thanks.
wait. That blue pen is mine. Be careful.
Don't worry. I'll take care of it. Also, can I borrow your notebook?
My notebook? The red one?
Yes, the red one.
That notebook is important.
I just need it for 5 minutes.
Okay, but don't lose it. It's mine.
I won't lose it. I promise.
Do you need anything else?
Yes. Do you have a charger?
A phone charger?
Yes. My phone is almost dead.
Sure. This charger is mine, but you can use it.
Thank you, Laura. You're saving my day.
No problem.
Oh, and one last thing.
Ethan. What now?
Can I borrow your headphones?
My headphones? Really?
Yes, I forgot mine at home.
Ethan, Everything you want is mine.
Not everything, just the important things.
Okay, fine, but bring them back today.
I will. I'll bring everything back today.
Good. And please remember,
I know. I know. They're yours.
exactly. They belong to me.
Got it. Thanks again.
Sure, just don't disappear with my stuff.
Promise.
Hey, Maya. Can I shop with you today?
Of course. I'm buying food for the week.
Great. I need help. I never know the right quantities.
First, I need some rice.
Rice is uncountable, right?
Yes, you say some rice or a bag of rice.
Okay. I'll take a small bag of rice.
Good. Now I need 2 apples.
Apples are countable. Easy.
Exactly. You can say 2 apples or a few apples.
What about milk?
Milk is uncountable. You say a bottle of milk or a carton of milk.
Got it. I need 1 bottle of milk.
And I need a little milk for cooking.
A little is for uncountable.
Yes, a little milk, a little water, a little sugar.
Do we need bananas?
Yes, let's get a bunch of bananas.
And tomatoes?
Sure, maybe a few tomatoes.
A few is for countable things.
Right, a few tomatoes, a few cookies, a few carrots.
I want cereal.
Okay. Do you want a small box or a big box?
A big one. I eat a lot.
No problem.
Do you need eggs?
Yes, I need a dozen eggs.
A dozen is 12, right?
Exactly.
I want some juice.
Orange juice or apple juice?
Orange. I'll take a bottle of orange juice.
Good choice. And we need water.
How much?
Let's take 2 big bottles of water.
Do we need anything else?
Yes, I need some sugar and a little butter.
Sugar is uncountable too?
Yes, you say some sugar or a bag of sugar.
I think I understand now. Countable equals a few, numbers, plural. Uncountable equals a little, some, containers.
Perfect.
Wow, my cart is full.
That's good. You have food for the week.
Thanks for helping me.
Anytime. Shopping is easy when you know the quantities.
True. Now I feel like a pro.
Hey, Mia, can you help me for a second?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm cooking dinner tonight, but I don't know how much rice we need.
How many people are eating?
Just us, 2 people.
Okay. For 2 people, we need 1 cup of rice.
1 cup? That's it?
Yes. 1 cup of uncooked rice is enough for 2.
Good. And how much water do I add? 2 cups of water. So, 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water.
Exactly.
Great. What about salt?
Just a little. Maybe half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon. Got it.
Do you want me to measure it for you?
No, it's okay. I can do it.
Good. Remember to wash the rice first.
Oh, right. I always forget that. And don't forget to cover the pot. Cover the pot. Yes. How long will you cook it?
I don't know. About 15 minutes. Then let it rest for 5 minutes.
15 minutes cooking, 5 minutes resting.
Perfect. Thanks, Mia. You saved dinner. Anytime. Just don't burn it.
I'll try my best.